Wonderful to be here at Joint Base Andrews. It is an honor to begin this holiday season with all of you. 12 days ago, I visited MCAS, New River, and Camp Lejeune to spend time with our brave Marines, military, connected students, and their families. I wanted to thank the team here at St. Andrews for supporting that important visit. Today, we are surrounded by people whose strength is often quiet, but always powerful. We speak regularly of the bravery of our service members, and we should. But we must also illuminate the bravery of those who walk beside them, the spouses who carry the weight of family life on top of their own dreams. Your lives require a resilience that few outside the military can understand. Moves that make you to take across the country and around the world. Holidays spent with an empty chair at the table. Milestones celebrated over a screen because the person you love is thousands of miles away. And yet, through every transition, every deployment, every homecoming, you continue to show grace, determination, and unbreakable spirit. You keep life steady for your children. You manage homes, careers, finances, and schedules, all while giving comfort to your family. You carry this extra responsibility because you love someone who has sworn to serve. Today, we are here with the American Red Cross, which has stood beside military families for generations. The Red Cross supports our service members, veterans, caregivers, and survivors across the globe. We are grateful for all they do to support and strengthen our military families. As we celebrate this season of hope, I encourage everyone to also take care of yourselves. Your well-being is vital, not just for your families, but for your own future. Your journey matters, your voice matters, and your strength continue to inspire us all. Every package built here today is built with American values. Each represents liberty, love, community, and honor. Each is delivered with heart and love, the foundation of our great nation. May this Christmas bring peace to your homes, safety to those who are deployed, and gratitude in the hearts of every American who thanks you for your service and sacrifice. Merry Christmas. Thank you.